You can reduce the range of the super knob quickly with the dedicated knob position buttons. Let's set the highest value needed for this situation. Press Shift and knob position right to set the highest super knob value you want to reach. The super knob immediately jumps to its maximum position to indicate that it is now using its full range, but all assignments are being limited to the new range accordingly. Also, we can store a middle position by using Shift and knob position mid to create a more interesting controller movement. On the page Motion Control, you are able to view and edit the super knob settings again. Using the super knob buttons, we can recall those positions directly. If you want to save your changes, store it to a new user performance. Otherwise, you can use these settings just temporarily.